What's up, guys? Helga here today. Set up the spare board with some new Venture Hollows. Check those out. Some Spitfire 101s, 54s, and some Bronson Raws. Probably one of my favorite setups, so shout out to the ones who believe in you, because stuff's not cheap. So we'll see how it shreds, and I'm stoked to do a little product review. I am going to change out these bushings with some Shorties 92 medium soft bushings, because I think these are for sure the best. And yeah, this is the old setup we got going on. Still rocking the moon dust. Got some ventures on there. These definitely are not hollows, so I'm stoked to see that. These are Spitfire, were 54s. They're probably like 52 now. Still riding some old Bronsons. See how long they last? Still rocking. Yeah. So, again, stoked for this new setup. Yeah.